Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the WOWNOVA White 3.5 inches computer temp monitor, just a quick reminder that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Be sure to check it out. This compact ARGB PC case secondary screen is designed to provide real-time monitoring of your CPU, RAM, GPU, and HDD data, making it an excellent addition for PC enthusiasts who want to keep a close eye on system performance without cluttering their main display. The WOWNOVA monitor stands out primarily for its ease of use and minimalist setup. It requires only a single USB-C cable, which means no additional HDMI or power cables are necessary. This allows it to be mounted internally via a USB header, saving precious external ports and maintaining a clean build aesthetic. The screen itself is a sharp 3.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 320 by 480, offering great viewing angles and clear, accurate data visualization. The metal shell adds durability and a premium look to your setup. Customization is another strong point of this device. Users can adjust the screen orientation between horizontal and vertical, as well as personalize the display layout and visual themes using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Features like auto start, automatic screen turn-off, brightness adjustment, and eye protection modes make it user-friendly and energy efficient. On the downside, the secondary screen does not support mouse interaction, meaning your cursor won't move onto this display. While this is typical for dedicated monitoring screens, it may be a limitation for those seeking interactive functionality. Additionally, it is designed specifically to work with WOWNOVA's English version software, so compatibility with other monitoring software might be limited. In summary, the WOWNOVA White 3.5 inches computer temp monitor is a sleek, feature-rich accessory perfect for users wanting an internal, unobtrusive way to monitor vital PC stats in real time. Its simple USB-C connection, customizable display, and sturdy build make it a worthy investment for any PC builder or gamer. Remember, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss out on that offer. Thanks for reading, and be sure to check the pinned comment for the best deal on this monitor before you go.